Hey everybody, that's White's Mobile Smart Engine Repair. Today we're back with another video. We're replacing the carburetor on a BR600. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I know I'm not doing the video quality is not where I really want it to be, but I'm just getting started. So I'm just subscribe and like my channel. Look for future better content. Right now, I'm just taking all the covers and stuff off. This BR600 has two screws that's up on the bottom of it, and it has a little tab that you can kind of lift over up on the gas tank to get them, to get the cover to slide off. You also have to take off the starter, pull start, and get that cover to come off as well. Right now, I'm just removing the spark plug boot. I'm unfastening it, so it make the process a little easier. Like I said, right there, I remove the starter plug. You just want to take your time. You don't want to rouse and force anything, because this thing is plastic, and the plastic does break. So you want to take your time right now, removing the side screws off of that air filter housing. Got the two screws at the top right here, and once you remove that cover, you also have a screw that sits right down on the beside the flywheel. You had to remove that screw as well. That relieves that air filter cover. And when you hooking this thing, when you get ready to replace this carburetor, you want to make sure you hook all the lines and fuel lines and throttle cable and stuff back up how it was. It's easy to get something bound up and it won't operate function. I have had this happen to me. You think you have everything right, and sometimes you don't have everything pushed right back in exactly how it goes. It'll bind up and kink up. So you want to make sure you take your time in between this thing back together. I also will notice that the primer line was real hard, so I decided to replace it. What I usually do is just take it off and I measure it with the new line and just replace it, put it back on. Just use some pliers to kind of pull that line off. If you do the job, not fast and, do it, it's probably maybe a 20-minute job, 25-minute job, doing it right and taking your time doing it. Right here, I'm getting that fuel line, like I told you, I'm measuring it so that I can have all that the same length. Now it's time to replace the carburetor. That's the new carburetor right here. The carburetor costs roughly about 80 bucks. And with fuel line, fuel filter, I usually replace the fuel line, and I'm going to replace the fuel filter. So you're looking at about 100 bucks just to get this back running, just in parts. Sorry, I'm kind of in the way. Like I said, just kind of bear with me. I'm gonna, get everything figured out. But, just bear with me if you don't mind. Like I said, once again, like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Looking to have more videos coming soon. I'm trying to bring you out a video at least once a week. I work on a bunch of stuff, and so I'm trying my best to do a video once a week. Comment and let me know what videos you would like to see. Some work that you would like to see me doing. I don't mind sharing, I don't mind helping. Just let me know. I think I ended up replacing that line again. I think I cut it just a tad bit too short, and I like to make sure I have enough room when I'm replacing that line. So I think I cut another piece and just replaced it. I do have the video kind of going kind of a little faster than normal, you know, just kind of speed the process. I don't want to make it a real long drawn out video. Also, you want to make sure you got that have that throttle linkage hooked up in that carburetor throttle part on the carburetor. Exactly how it's supposed to be. It has a little slide on the carburetor that you will see that when you slide down in there, it'll go right down in there. You want to make sure you have that hooked up right. Like I said, when you're hooking this carburetor back up, you want to make sure you don't have anything kinked up. You know, make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. Right now I'm just reinserting the screws that hold the carburetor on. You want to make sure, like I said, you got that tab that's down there, sits right by the flywheel. You want to make sure it slides right in there, hooking those grooves. Like I said, excuse me for being in the way. I didn't realize I was this much in the way by the time I got to put that together. But like I said, in the near future, my videos, I hope to make them a whole lot better, a whole lot more quality, a whole lot more understanding. But for that content, you know, just like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, I'm trying to become an upcoming YouTuber. Just try to help somebody. Also, in this video, after I did crank it up, I did realize that it would not cut off by the kill switch. So I said, well, I checked all the wires on the harness going to the core pack. It didn't look like anything broke, but I pulled it. So I had to pull the housing and stuff back off, and I ended up unhooking the kill switch from the core, and so the wire was broken. So, you know, it was broke down inside the little black connector part. So sometimes, you know, some stuff you don't see until you get everything back running. You have on a lot of blowers, chainsaws and stuff wrapped up in that area where that black connector hooks to the core pack. You have a lot of wires that are breaking that area and cause the machine to not quit when you hit the kill switch. So just something to pay attention to. Like I said, please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming content. Just about got everything back, put that together, and I'm gonna crank it up and you see it run on the spot. There you go. Run back subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks.